In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix GLFW error with that specific code in Minecraft TLauncher 1.20.4. So let's get started. We're going to look at various fixes, and our first one we have is update graphics card driver. Update graphics card driver. Alright, so visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, for example, AMD, Intel, NVIDIA, and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Install the updated drivers and restart your computer, because outdated versions can cause compatibility issues and lead to OpenGL errors. The next one is check system requirements. Check system requirements. Perfect. So verify that your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Minecraft 1.20.4. If it doesn't, consider upgrading your hardware. Minecraft's official website will list the recommended system specifications. The next one we have is disable overlays. Disable overlays. So disable any overlays from other applications like Discord, Steam that might interfere with Minecraft's launch. These overlays can sometimes conflict with the game and cause errors. The next one we have is verify game files. Verify game files. So launch the TLauncher and verify the integrity of your Minecraft 1.20.4 game files. This can help identify and fix corrupted files that might be contributing to the error. Now, if none of the above solutions work, try uninstalling and reinstalling Minecraft TLauncher completely. This can sometimes resolve underlying issues and eliminate any corrupted files or settings. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.